Hey guys, this is Shan from Love Your Passion. Do you need to build a twin platform bed and you have only $25 and a couple of hours? Let's see how to build it. So what lumbers we need? We need 2 by 6 inches, 8 foot long. We need 3 pieces, 2 for the head and tail and 2 for the sides. 2 by 4 inches by 8 foot, about 4 pieces. And then 1 inch by 3 inch, 8 foot long, 6 pieces for the platform bed, and then power screwdrivers and power drill and couple of hours in a weekend. So now I'm doing for the head section. So I'm adding a width of this wood, then doing 39, which is my width of the mattress, or actually it is like little more than the width of the mattress. Then I will add the same length again. So that's my one side of the end. I turn the table at 15 degree because this will be my foot, kind of like the leg, and the saw will cut like this, and I will cut like I have a straight cut, so that will be my angled foot. This is how the legs will look like. I also made with 2 by 6 inches lumber, and then I will rest the foot and the head on top of that. So that will give me very good stability. In order to attach the leg with the main body, I decided to use the Pocket Jig. As you can see, I can attach it and then I can drill hole in an inclined way, and then I can easily put the screws into it. So that will make a very solid bond. I'm having this small 2 by 6 so that a 2 by 4 can sit on top of it, and also attached to the side 2 by 6 rails. The 1 by 3 wood for platform support can then rest on the 2 by 4s. As you can see, the two sides are coming up very nicely. They are pretty much two independent parts. The head and tail are just 2 by 6 inches lumbers cut into sizes, which will sit nicely on the legs of the two sides. I'll screw them to the sides and then can unscrew it to easily unassemble. Now cutting the 1 by 3 inches, the length should be equal to the gap between the two by 6 inches sides, so that it can nicely sit between those two, becoming the platform for the bed. I screwed 2 by 4 inches on the 2 by 6 inches sides so that the 1 by 3 inches lumbers can sit on top of it, making a nice platform. I also cut small pieces of 1 by 3s in between the 1 by 3s, so that it creates an equal gap. The bed is all done. It took probably a little less than 2 hours, and the bed is ready for my guests to sleep in. If you like it, please subscribe our YouTube video channel and help us to make more videos like this. Thank you.